Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is the number one development on the way in Jamaica right now? Now we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway, which is definitely one of the greatest developments in Jamaica. It's a road from Harbour View to Port Antonio. Game changer. This road has opened up the eastern side of the island to basically it has made St. Thomas a part of Jamaica. Game changer, but this is definitely on the list, but it's not number one to me. So guys, what developments? There are many. The Rogers, the Ascent, so many buildings going up, so many road projects, Montego Bay Perimeter Road, expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway, this road, the Southern Coastal Highway. I guess we should start calling it but they haven't decided when the road is completed. It will be the Paul Boga Highway. You have Highway 2000 all from Kingston to Ocherios. You have Highway 2000 from Kingston to Mandeville. Highway 2000 is going to Negril. It's going to Montego Bay. There are so many developments. You have so many hotels being built. 26-story hotel going up at the Unico. Another 26-story hotel going up at Harmony Cove. You have Princess Resorts, 2,000 rooms in Hanover. You have Bahia Principal expanding. There are so many. We have Drax Hall, which is, I guess, bigger than life. The way that place is growing. There's so much development. But if you were to pick one, if you were to say this is the greatest development in Jamaica right now, this is the number one development in Jamaica right now, which one would you build? Which one would you pick? Whether they have started, as long as they have announced the project, which one would you pick? There are a lot, and I don't think there is any right answer, but tell us which one you pick and tell us why. Maybe if you want to do a list of 3, just tell us why you think that one is the greatest development. Now, I've thought about it and I've come up with one, and I'll tell you my pick. My pick is the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. It's 4 towers at 28 floors each. 4 towers at 28 floors each. And each one of those towers will be the tallest building in Jamaica. I'm sure when they're finished, one is going to be higher than the other. So there are 4 towers, but there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 as the tallest buildings in Jamaica. There are no buildings approved that are taller than 28 floors in Jamaica right now. No building will be constructed in Jamaica, meaning it has not been approved yet. No building has been approved to go over 28 floors. But another reason why I chose the Pinnacle is because those 4 buildings will be the 4 tallest buildings in the Caribbean. In the Caribbean. It's going to put Jamaica at the top when it comes on to tallest buildings in Jamaica. So that's my pick. So guys, let me know what your pick is. Leave your comments in the section below. So remember, tell us the development you think is number one and why. Even if you want to list 3, because it's going to be very hard to pick one, but just tell us why each one of those you think could be number one. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're actually driving into St. Thomas, and this is definitely one on the list, because what this road has done for St. Thomas. But the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica, we can't. That's my pick. It's just, and then the 4 tallest in the Caribbean, I'm going with the Pinnacle. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.